Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This time, we talk about how to Chromecast from iPad and how you can stream all of your favorite content, including personal photos and videos. As we all know, Google and Apple have some technological differences, including how devices function with each other. Although some apps have native support, like YouTube and Netflix, the options are pretty slim. So let's check out what native support looks like and a couple of workarounds to get all of your content on the big screen. But before we get started, click that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like these. Now, we dive into how to cast from iPad to Chromecast. Let's start our list of iPad content casting solutions with built-in Chromecast apps. Partnerships with major streaming services make it easy to connect your accounts for seamless casting. Now, if your device is already set up, you'll be able to use a Chromecast from iPad without extra headache. Head over to the Netflix app or your favorite streaming platform, find a show or movie, and tap on the casting icon that looks like a TV with a Wi-Fi connection. That's it. Enjoy your movie. While this solution is great for providers like Netflix or Hulu, the number of supported first-party apps is pretty limited, forcing most users to look for alternatives. Okay, so now that you know how to stream popular first-party services, you might be wondering about how to show off home movies on a Chromecast, like you would with AirPlay. Well, you're in luck, because we know of an AirPlay workaround that will have you bragging about your dogs in no time. That solution is the Docast app. With Docast, you can easily cast your home movies and photos from the comfort of your couch and in unmatched high quality. Just download the app from the Apple App Store and follow the straightforward prompts to connect to your Chromecast. See how quickly we connected to our device? From this home menu, tap on either the Photos or Videos option. Simply select the video or photo you want to display, and voila, personal content on your Chromecast. As we mentioned, Docast is an alternative to AirPlay when you want to cast iPad to Chromecast, but you can use it for more than personal videos and photos. In fact, like AirPlay, you can use it to mirror your iPad screen or cast locally saved music. And here's how. Back at the home menu screen, tap on the Screen or Music option. The Music option allows you to navigate to your favorite tracks and begin casting immediately. The Screen option brings you to another page where you can start broadcasting your screen. Even with our brief demonstrations, you can see the quality is quite high. Plus, upgrading to the premium version is affordable and removes time limits. Docast isn't our only solution, and some users will find Streamer for Chromecast useful, thanks to the in-app browser and cast from PC features. The process for using Streamer for Chromecast is similar to Docast and starts with an app download from the App Store. Open up the app and follow the steps to connect to your device. Once the iPad Chromecast connection is complete, you can start using the many features from the home page. While Streamer for Chromecast has its pros, you can see the quality isn't as great as Docast, and there is more latency between the app and Chromecast. Now you know a little more about casting content from your iPad to a Chromecast, from native options to the Docast app that replaces AirPlay. If you'd like to try these apps for yourself, download the links below in the description. Don't forget to watch our other videos, and we'll see you in the following video. Until then, keep casting.